Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am providing the solution of this case 3-2 question foreign exchange trading at Baldwin Enterprises. Baldwin Enterprises is a large manufacturing company with operations and sales divisions located in the United States and several other countries. So here, in this case problem, we have a table. So here we have a conversion USD, UR, UOR, EUR, GBP, HKD, and JPY. Here we have the rates mentioned for particular currency. And then this question is further divided into 5 parts. The first one is to create a spreadsheet model for this problem and solve it. Then in part 2, we have the optimal trading plan. Then we need to provide the optimal transaction cost for part 3. And then in part 4, suppose another executive thinks that holding 250 millions of USD in each country currency is excessive and he wants to lower the amount to 50,000 USD in each currency. Does this help to lower the transaction cost? Why or why not? And in part 5, suppose the exchange rate for converting USD to GBP increases from 0.6409 to 0.6414. What happens to the optimal solution in this case? So I have solved all these 5 parts using Excel solver and spreadsheet model. So let me show you the spreadsheet model that I've created. Here we have created a table with the table that has been provided earlier in the question. So this one is our table. Then here the yellow spot is our variables. And these are the changing variables. And I've used solver to solve this question. And here cell I-25 represents the transaction cost, which is 0.0278668. So here, this one is our solution. And then the total equivalent USD value is 9.05856. And here in this spreadsheet, we have lots of formula I have developed. So on the basis of these formulas and Excel solver, I have derived the solution. So each cell having the formula. And then this one is the part 4. So lowering the floor from 250,000 to 50,000 per currency, our transaction cost becomes 0.027860. And the total equivalent in USD is 9.05856. So this one is the answer to part 4. And then this one is our part 5. So all this spreadsheet, you can just request me. I'm sharing you my WhatsApp number and email address as my contact details in the description part of this video. So for the file request, or maybe if you need any help regarding this question or any other questions from this textbook, you can definitely reach me out and I can help you to provide the solution, or maybe I can help you in providing the spreadsheet, this already developed spreadsheet to your email address or WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you like this video. So do subscribe me for future videos and have a great day. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.